Longer expeditions as you progress. Mining trips will become longer and more complex. Planning ahead is key to staying safe and maximizing profit. Step 1. Stock your inventory before heading out. Make sure you have everything you need. Food for healing and hunger management, iron pickaxe and shovel, best combat gear, sword, armor, shield, torches, several full stacks coal for fuel crafting table, and multiple chests, 2 water buckets for lava or emergencies, ladders for climbing shafts, bed for skipping the night in multiplayer. Step 2. Set up base camp, place a crafting table, chest, and furnace near your mining site or cave entrance. Store valuable items in the chest so they aren't lost if you die. Optionally, create a blast furnace to smelt ores faster than a normal furnace. Step 3. Know where to find valuable ore. Use your Y coordinate, F3 on PC, to locate specific ores. Diamond. Layers 15 and below, most common at -56 gold. Layers 31 and below, frequent above 31 in Badlands. Lapis lazuli. Layers 8 to -16 redstone. Layers 15 and below, most common at -56 emerald, above -16 in mountain. Biomes, often above 100 iron. Layers -24 to 50 and above 120 copper. Layers 104 to -16, most common at 48 coal. Anywhere above layer 0. Step 4. Get started. 3 basic mining approaches. Use a large natural cave, quick access to ores, but expect lots of mobs. Mark paths with torches or signs. Dig a vertical shaft. Use a 1x2 space to safely mine downward. Build a ladder system or waterfall elevator to move up and down. Dig an angled shaft at 45 degrees. Clear enough space to jump up. Optionally add stairs for faster movement.